What is the best way to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android? The process isn't as convoluted as it once was. I remember when we had to put all the input and all the names, numbers and other info manually. Now smartphones, apps and cloud services can do most of the work for us. Today we'll go over a few methods so you can pick whichever you prefer. So what you have to do in order to transfer the contacts from an iOS device to the Android device is that you have to download the Google One app. I've already downloaded that app in my iOS device, so I'll open it. Now you can see I have all the information right here. Storage, it's basically this app is for storing your data. So you can add your photos, videos and contacts right here. So what I have to do is that iPhone on for some data. Now when I click on the sync, and you can see that I can sync the photos and videos in my device. I can sync the contacts, which I've already done, and I can also sync the calendars app. So when I click on the contacts, I've already synced it. As you can see, the contacts in my iPhone and the Google contacts, all the contacts are saved in my Google account. So this is one of the easiest way to transfer the contacts from an iPhone to an Android device. So the other way is that you go to the phone app in the contacts app, and I'll just select one contact, right? So I'll scroll down and I'll go to share contact, right? Now what I have to do, I have a lot of options right here. As you can see, what I'll do is I'll go to mail, and as you can see that a VCF file has been created. You can select all the contacts and it will create a VCF file for all of those contacts. So when I send these VCF files to my Gmail or any other email, and when I open it in my Android device, what will happen is that I will have the same contacts in my Google account, in my Gmail, and I'll open the VCF file and save it, and the contacts will be imported. So I'll just send it to my email. As you can see that I've shared it. Now let's go to the Android device. So when I go to my Android device, as you can see right here, I'll go to my Gmail, and you can see I have got the email right here, and here's the VCF file. So you can see it's sent from my iPhone, and the VCF file is right here. So what I have to do is just touch on that file, and you can see I can save it to my contacts, and here's a phone number, here's a contact. I'll just click on save, and I'll save it on my Google account, and I'll select it, and the contact has been saved. As you can see, if I go and search for the same contact, I have the contact right here. So that's how you can send the VCF file from your iPhone via email, and then you can download those contacts and import it to your Android device. Now, when I have used the Google One app and I've synced my contacts, all I have to do is just click on this three-line button. So I have a lot of Google accounts open right here, right? And so in one of those Google accounts, I have 1,183 contacts. And this is because I've synced my Google account to my Android device. So as I mentioned, when you sync your contacts to your Google One account, you just have to sign in your Android device right here, and you'll get all the contacts right here automatically. You don't have to save it, you don't have to import it. The contacts will be saved in your device automatically. So when I touch it, here are all the contacts which I have transferred from my iOS device to my Android device. So that's all you have to know about sending the contacts from an iOS device to an Android one.